Hello students, good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are good and studying at home. Children, in my previous video, we have studied some important question answers based on some difficult chapters like Knowledge Bank, 7 Wonders of the World, famous landmarks around the world, and as I told you in my previous video, it is the first part. So today I am here with the next part of that video. Today we will study some more question answers. Those are important for your examinations and it will be helpful to understand all the things in these chapters. So please take out your GK book, a copy, pencil and an eraser. And please note down all the question answers because these are the important questions that we are going to study. Okay? As we have discussed earlier, it will be more helpful to understand all the topics that we have studied. Okay? So please take out the copy. Now I am going to show you all the question answers closely and you will note down. Okay? Children, this is our question answers that we are going to study. Okay? Let's start. Please note down the question answers, children. Okay? First one is, which branch of medicine is developed in India? कौन सी मेडिसिन इंडिया में डेवलप हुई है? The answer is Ayurveda. Okay, Ayurveda is developed in India. Second, which language is the oldest and richest language in India? The answer is Sanskrit. Sanskrit is an oldest and richest language in India and most of the mythological books are written in Sanskrit language as well as in regional languages also. But most of the mythological books are written in Sanskrit. Okay? Next. What is the height of Qutub Minar? Qutub Minar की height क्या है? The answer is 73 meters. Okay. Next question. What is the length of the Great Wall of China? Great Wall of China is a wonder of the world, right? What is the length? The answer is 21,196 kilometers. Kilometers, okay? km means kilometers. 21,196 kilometers. Okay? Next question. Most of the area of which famous landmark has become national park? कौन से फेमस लैंडमार्क का ज्यादातर एरिया अब नेशनल पार्क बन गया है? द आंसर इज द ग्रैंड कैनियन यूएसए. द ग्रैंड कैनियन यूएसए. इट इज इन एरिजोना. The Grand Canyon USA has become a national park with many unique species and it is in Arizona, 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 USA, United States of America. Okay. Next one is, what is the height of Eiffel Tower? Eiffel Tower की height क्या है? What is the height of Eiffel Tower? The answer is 320 meters. Children, in meters it is 320 And in feet, we can say 1050 feet. 1050 feet. Okay. Next one is, which wonder of the world is 8000 feet up from the sea level? कौन सा वंडर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड है जो सी लेवल से 8000 फीट अप है, ऊपर 8000 फीट ऊपर है? द करेक्ट आंसर इज माचू पिच्चू, पेरू. It is in your book, the first wonder of the world. We have studied in the book Machu Picchu, Peru. It is 8000 feet up from the sea level. Okay? Which wonder of the world is known as the world's biggest amphitheater? कौन सा wonder of the world है जो world का biggest amphitheater है? The answer is the Colosseum, Rome. The Colosseum, Rome. Okay? It is world's biggest amphitheater and it is also registered in Guinness Book of World. Next question is, Christ the Redeemer is the statue of which God? Christ the Redeemer कौन से भगवान की स्टैचू है? The answer is Jesus Christ. Christ the Redeemer is the statue of the Holy God, Jesus Christ. Okay? Next question. Which wonder of the world was founded by Maya people? कौन सा वंडर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड है जो माया पीपल के लोगों द्वारा बनाया गया है? चिचेन इट्जा. Chichen Itza was founded by Maya people. Okay? Next question. Who invented zero? Zero का invention किसने किया? Answer is an Indian mathematician, Aryabhat. Aryabhat invented zero. And he was an Indian mathematician. He was a great mathematician. He was a brilliant student. He has given a major contribution in the field of mathematics. Okay? Next, which national monument is dedicated to 82,000 soldiers of the Indian Army? कौन सा नेशनल मॉन्यूमेंट है, नेशनल मॉन्यूमेंट जो 82,000 इंडियन आर्मीज 82,000 इंडियन आर्मी के जो सोल्जर्स हैं वो उनको डेडिकेट किया गया है? इंडिया गेट, न्यू दिल्ली. इट इज इंडिया गेट, इट इज इन न्यू दिल्ली. ओके, वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट इंडिया गेट. द नेम्स of the soldiers are also written on the wall, as I told you in my video. Okay? Next question. Who built the Taj Mahal? Taj Mahal is a tomb. Who built the Taj Mahal? The answer is Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal. Okay? In the memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. Okay, students? The next question is, where is Leaning Tower of Pisa? Leaning Tower of Pisa कहाँ है? The answer is, it is in Italy. Where is it? It is in Italy. Okay, children? We have completed this part of the question answer. This was the second part. Now we have completed all the question answers. Please note down all the question answer in your copy and learn it at your home. Please learn with the spellings. Okay children, we'll meet in the new video with the new chapter. Please learn all these question answers that we have studied in the first part and in the second part also. Please write down all the question answers in your copy and learn it. Okay? Thank you children. Bye.